Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be dealing with sets and its addition and subtraction. Now, in order to add sets, we have to know what like terms are. And like terms of set simply means that numbers or variables which are the same in its roots. So now we have the first example as a root 2 plus 3a root 2. And since they have the same variables in its roots, they are like terms. So now we can solve this as a plus 3a, all this root 2, and we get our final answer as 4a root 2, and we are done. Now let's move to the second example. Now we have 5 root 3 plus 6 root 3, and as we can see here, they have the same variables in their roots, therefore they are like terms. So we get our final answer as 11 root 3. Now let's look at this example. Now, when given a problem like this, we have to make sure that the roots are in their lowest term. Now what I mean by that is they are usually expressed in squares of numbers. Therefore, we have to break them down in order to simplify them. Now, root 50, for example, can be broken down as 25 times 2, with 25 being a square of a number that is 5. Now, 32 can also be broken down as 16 times 2, and 16 being the square of 4. And 162 can also be broken down as 81 times 2. So now that we've broken it down, we can simply simplify or solve for one of the values and leave the unbreakable values in their root form. So now the first one being 5 root 2, and the second one also being 4 root 2, and of course minus 9 root of 2. So since they are all like terms, we can simply add them together to get our final answer. So adding this together, 5 plus 4 gives us 9. 9 minus 9 gives us 0. So we arrive at our final answer as 0 root 2, which is the same as 0. So now the next thing we'll be looking at is multiplication of sets. And as I said, this is very simple. In fact, every topic in set, every subtopic actually is very simple. Now, in order to solve problems like this, let's first get the understanding. So now, root a times root b. Unlike addition and subtraction, multiplication of sets, we deal with the terms within the set. Therefore, if you have root a multiplying the root of b, we take the square root of the multiple of the two variables, giving us root of ab. Now let's try our sample question. How can we get the cube of root 2? So now we can expand this as root 2 times root 2 times the root of 2. So now this can also be written as 2 times 2 times 2. So now, as I said earlier, we have to look out for the squares of numbers and then we break them down. So now 2 times 2 gives us 4, and 4, as we all know, is the square of 2. Therefore, we get our final answer as 2 root 2. So now thanks guys for watching my video. Check out my other videos on set.